Hello.
Hi. So, what are we going to have for lunch today?
Well, as well as the clowning, I also run a small holding,
Ah.
and this is one of my chickens,
Oh. What's her name?
Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. Oh, aren't you lovely?
So I thought we could have chicken.
Yeah.
It's really easy to. You don't need to buy chicken. You can bring up a chicken, and then just and then eat it, and that's the circle of life.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do today.
Okay.
So say hello and say goodbye.
Okay. Hello. Goodbye.
If you want to pause it whilst we just. Nobody wants to see that, do they?
No. Okay.
So
You go and prepare, Daisy.
Okay, say bye, Daisy. And here we have the roast chicken.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Delicious.
There's nothing quite like freshly roasted chicken.
No.
And, it's organic.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So, can you tell the difference with the taste?
Yeah.
And what you can do as well is with the bones at the end, you can either make some soup or you can bury her. Just to say thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Thanks, Daisy.
Yeah, thanks, Daisy.